Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today for you guys I have a brand new video, and on this video we're gonna be testing out another viral TikTok hack. And yes, it is a beauty hack, so let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay guys, so I am gonna go in with the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna be going in with T, which is this brown. Okay guys, so according to the trend you cannot mess this up, so we'll see. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow brush. Okay, and then literally you just like take the color and you place it, do it to the other eye. Okay guys, so this is our first color, and looking at myself in the mirror, it looks
freaking crazy.
Okay guys, the next color is gonna be Daddy. And alright, and then I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay guys, so for the next shade, I'm going to be using the Cara Beauty Daydream palette, and it looks like this. And I'm going to be using Free Spirit, and I'm just going to put it next to it. And the same on the other side. I'm also going to go in with Deepest Wish, put it right here. Okay guys, and lastly, I'm going to be using Letting Go. And for that one, I'm literally just going to use my finger. Oh my god, that's so creamy. And then I'm just going to...
Oh my god.
Honestly, I have never tried Cara Beauty, but this shimmer... Oh my god, it's so pretty. Can't get over how freaking pigmented and buttery. I honestly have never tried Cara Beauty, so this is literally my first time and I'm so impressed. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go in with the big fluffy brush and we're gonna blend this out. I don't know if I should start from like the darker, or because when I seen these videos, these girls are using the same brush, so how does, like, how? Okay, so it's like not blending. I'm freaking scared. Oh my god, I'm panicking. Okay guys, so this is what I have so far for the first eye. I feel like from far away it doesn't look that bad, except like the dark brown part. The other colors, I feel like they mix very nicely. So let me go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be back.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. I hope you guys are. But for some reason, do you guys see how there's like this big patch? I'm not sure if it's like, it was my fault, like I messed up, like maybe I should have done one eye at a time and not do both and let the color sink. But I don't know guys, it's just, oh my god, I feel like I can't fix it. The more I blend it, the uglier it gets. I feel like from here on it looks good, like you guys know what I mean, like from here to here it looks okay, but then from like here to the end it looks bad. Oh my god. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. So let me give you guys my opinions. So I think it's a good hack, definitely. I know on my part I messed up by adding the brown color at the end, because that brown color was really hard to blend. If you guys use eyeshadows that are very easily blended, then it will work perfectly fine. I felt like it was so fast. I honestly feel like I'm gonna start doing this when I'm in a hurry and I just need to get it on. But the one thing that I did not like was that it kind of took a while for me to blend everything, and again, I don't know if it was because of the eyeshadow that I used. And the second thing is that I kind of saw that if you look very, very, very close to my eyeball, the color got lost a little bit. If you guys are gonna want to try this, I will recommend maybe using 2 different brushes to blend everything instead of using just one, because I did notice that once I hit the shimmer part, it kind of just went everywhere. Overall, it doesn't look bad. I honestly don't think this looks bad at all. I actually kind of like it, and I feel like I'm gonna try it when I'm in a hurry and I just need to get something on. But yes, you guys, definitely this hack does work. So make sure you guys try it out if you guys want to, and let me know how it goes for you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.